A lot of people get a check engine light and immediately think it's the end of their car's story. But sometimes the real culprit is just a clogged catalytic converter or a crusty oxygen sensor. That's where Wynn's catalytic converter and oxygen sensor cleaner comes in. You spray this stuff into your gas tank, and it claims to blast away deposits, sort of like a deep clean for your car's vital organs. We're talking about breaking down carbon buildup, which can cause up to a 15% drop in fuel efficiency when it gets out of control. The pain point is familiar. You're driving along, and suddenly your car feels sluggish, maybe even stalling at red lights, and your fuel bill creeps up each month. Or worse, you fail the state emissions test. If you've been there, you know it stings. People hate the idea of a repair bill north of $1,000 for a new catalytic converter. That's not just a minor annoyance. It's the kind of number that ruins weekends. For most of us, we'd rather try anything before the nuclear option of parts replacement. Using Wynns is pretty simple. You just pour the recommended amount into a nearly empty gas tank. Check your manual, but it's typically when you've got under a quarter tank left. This maximizes the cleaner's power since it's more concentrated with less gas to dilute it. Then fill up with high-quality fuel. The mixture cycles through your fuel system and gets to work. They say drive for at least 50 miles, ideally on the highway. Steady speeds mean the exhaust system gets hot, which helps the cleaner vaporize and do its thing. Pro tip: don't expect instant results the moment you start the engine. It can take a tank or two to notice differences. If you're living in a place like Portland with lots of stop-and-go traffic, maybe hit the interstate for the full effect. A mechanic told me that a dirty oxygen sensor can mess up your air-fuel ratio, sending your MPG into freefall. And if your catalytic converter gets clogged, you might notice a drop in acceleration, a full 5 seconds slower to hit 60 in some cases. Here's a value stat. Replacing an O2 sensor can cost $250, while a can of Wynns costs about $20. If even one cleaning cycle dodges the replacement, you're already way ahead. That's the sort of math that makes a frugal heart sing. But not every miracle in a bottle works for every car. If you've been ignoring check engine lights for months, there's a good chance nothing short of new hardware will fix major issues. No cleaner can rebuild a converter that's melted down. Lots of people try Wynns before emissions retests. Some have luck. They squeak by with lower numbers and get another year before needing repairs. The EPA tests show up to 30% cleaner emissions in treated cars. Not bad for a $20 experiment. Bottom line, if you want to avoid big bills and keep your car running smoother, Wynns Cleaner is an easy first step. Maybe it buys you time, maybe it just keeps everything working a little longer. And sometimes that's all you really need.